In this class you will study a great enhancement in AutoCAD 2010. The Meshing tab was added to the program to add three-dimensioning modeling features. The expression mesh modeling refers to adding organic details and textures in modeling. This type of modeling makes it possible to change an object through its mesh elements. You can do this through a vertex, face, or the outline of the model. In this class you will see how mesh primitives are created. Their purpose is similar to primitive solids, but there are some additional options available. You enable the mesh box to create this tool. Observe its faces, vertices, and outlines. The number of faces can be changed by clicking the Mesh Primitive options. For example, in the Length option you change the number of divisions for its length. The same for the Width and Height options. See, you can change these values for all mesh primitives just by selecting the above options. This makes it so easy to define the number of polygons you wish to define for your model. However, this does not change a previously created primitive. The change will only occur in a new object. We recommend working with few polygons, as editing will be easier when there are fewer faces. As you add more details and conclude the model, it is possible to insert more polygons and then concentrate on editing specific parts of the object. Now you can see the difference between one solid and the other by changing the faces on the gizmos. As there are a greater number of mesh elements in this object, it is necessary to select a larger number of points if you wish to modify the entire region. The other primitives are well known and called mesh cones. Let's create a cone and change its mesh properties. See the difference. This way you are able to define a point for adding waviness to the object. It is also possible to create other primitives, such as pyramids, cylinders, spheres, and other common shapes used by experienced program users. Take a look at some of the created examples. As you have seen here, use gizmos to change your geometries and start modeling more complex organic parts. You will continue learning more options throughout the course to improve your use of these new tools.